A logarithmic equation is any equation that contains a logarithm. And to solve a logarithmic equation means to find a value for the variable that makes the equation true. So for example, we have x equals log 10,000. And of course, remember when we see log without a subscript, that means base 10 is assumed. And the solution to this equation is x equals 4, because the log of 10,000 is 4. And next one, we have log of x equals 1.734. And the answer to that is 10 to the 1.734 power, which is approximately 54.2. Okay, and similarly, an exponential equation is an equation where the variable is in the exponent. To solve exponential equations, often what we're going to want to do is to rewrite the equation in logarithmic form. And in order to do that, we need to learn about a property known as the exponent property of logarithms, which is as follows. If you take the logarithm of a power, say log a to the x, then we can bring the exponent out front and write it as x times the logarithm of the base. Okay, so let's do a little practice on that. Find log 5 to the 4th power. Well, there's two ways you could do this. You could compute 5 to the 4th power, which is 625, and then take the log of that. Okay, so let's do it that way. 5 to the 4th power, 625, and then take the log of that. And we get 2.795 and so on. Okay, now another way to do that is to take the log of 5 and multiply by 4. 2.795 and so on. All right, log 7 to the 17th power. Okay, well, we can compute 7 to the 17th power. 7 raised to the 17th power. A pretty big number. And then take the log of that. And we get our answer, 14.36 approximately. Another way to do the problem is to take the log of 7 and then multiply by 17. Same answer, 14.366. Okay, next one is pretty much the same. Now let's look at this one. 23 to the 78th power. My calculator will choke if I try to compute 23 to the 78th power. Let me show you. 23 raised to the 78th power. I got an error. Calculator can't go that high. And probably on your calculator you'll get a similar error. Okay, so what are we going to do if we need to calculate log of 23 to the 78th power? Well, we're going to use the exponent property of logarithms. Right? It's easy enough to find log of 23. There it is. And we multiply by 78. And there's our answer, 106.2.